Up for auction is this Ford Gumball machine. It's a 10-cent vending machine from the 1960s. It's in very nice shape. Looks like it's been rarely used. The bottom metal, the stainless is in super shape, and the globe is really nice. There is no key for this machine. It is locked with the F50 lock. So the ultimate buyer would likely be someone that already has an F50 key, which is the common key for this machine. They are available, but they're about $30. So I'm just going to sell this machine as is. I will demonstrate it. Again, it's a dime machine. Looks like it has kind of a larger carousel in there. So I'll insert the dime. And well, you'll see it lock and move. There you go. Dime is now in the chamber and it's locked in there. So again, this comes without the key. The lock is locked. It's a working lock. You need an F50 key. It has the embossed Ford gum emblem on the base. Again, it's in really nice shape. Rubber stoppers are present. Globe is good. Alright, well, thanks very much for looking.